Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The Newslark team celebrates 103rd foundation anniversary of CPC at the Chinese consulate. Rich tribute was paid by CD Yang Yundong to the Newslark and its team. The Newslark team visited the Chinese consulate and celebrated the 103rd Foundation Day ceremony of the Communist Party of China with Chinese friends. This celebration was part of the Newslark's efforts to promote Pakistan-China friendship. His Excellency Mr. Yang Yundong was the heart and soul of this event. He appreciated the contribution of the Newslark for promoting Pak-China friendship and highlighted the role played by the CPC for the integrity, prosperity and development of China. He said that the CPC is led by people with great qualities and its members are selected purely on a merit basis. He further said China believes in development and it is a partner of Pakistan in the journey of development, prosperity and peace. He said terrorists are the enemies not only of Chinese but also of Pakistan, its peace and development. Mr. Javed Ahmad Malik, Chief Editor of the Newslark, thanked His Excellency Mr. Yang Yundong and his team for their kindness and hospitality. He said the Newslark is fully dedicated to promoting Pakistan-China friendship and it feels great pride and satisfaction for this. Dr. Syed Mehboob said that the Communist Party of China has a long history of struggle and sacrifices for the independence of China and to make it free from all sorts of oppression and exploitation and consists of highly patriotic and capable people. He further said that it is the second largest political party in the world with a strength of 99.18 million members. It was formed in 1921 and under the visionary leadership of Mr. Mao Zedong, it became a great power and played a vital role in the progress, development and prosperity of China. Last year, 1.4 million more people joined it. It has 30.18 million female members, 30.4% of its total. Its 56% members are college graduate and last year it held 1.26 million sessions to educate, train and guide its members. He said that with the full support of Mr. Javed Malik, he has a great commitment and dedication to promote Pakistan-China friendship and produced more than 30 research-based articles on China. Mr. Yusuf Malik and Saeed Baloch also spoke on the occasion and thanked CG for inviting them to such a dignified event. At the end of the event, the cake cut was done and with great applause and clapping. Such events are very important as these efforts encourage Chinese and they feel the love and warmth of Pakistan-China friendship, which is greater than Himalayas and deeper than oceans.
हिमालय के चश्मों के जैसी मीठी है, कराकरम के पहाड़ों के जितनी ऊंची है, ऐसी है दोस्ती के फलक भी करे है नाज, रिश्ता है ये हमारा नए दौर का आगाज। पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदाबाद, पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदाबाद, पाक चीन गोही वंशोए, पाक चीन गोही वंशोए, पाक चीन गोही वंशोए, पाक चीन गोही वंशोए। हिमालय के चश्मों के जैसी मीठी है, कराकरम के पहाड़ों के जितनी ऊंची है, ऐसी है दोस्ती के फलक भी करे है नाज, रिश्ता है ये हमारा नए दौर का आगाज। पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदा जिंदाबाद, पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदाबाद, पाक चीन go he wants so 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 हिमालय के चश्मों के जैसी मीठी है, कराकरम के पहाड़ों के जितनी ऊंची है, ऐसी है दोस्ती के फलक भी करे है नाज, रिश्ता है ये हमारा नए दौर का आगाज, पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदाबाद, पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदाबाद, पाक चीन go he wants so 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 हिमालय के चश्मों के जैसी मीठी है, कराकरम के पहाड़ों के जितनी ऊंची है, ऐसी है दोस्ती के फलक भी करे है नाज, रिश्ता है ये हमारा नए दौर का आगाज, पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदाबाद, पाक चीन दोस्ती जिंदाबाद, पाक चीन go he wants so 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 हिमालय के चश्मों के जैसी मीठी है, कराकरम के पहाड़ों के जितनी ऊंची है, ऐसी है दोस्ती के फलक भी करे है नाज, रिश्ता है ये हमारा नए दौर का आगाज, पाक चीन